I tell you, when you do not get up for Salatul Fajr, your friends got up. They went to the masjid, they did their salah, you were snoring, you got up at 8, at 9, whatever time it was. Guess what? You missed the train. They did not. They got up. If you get up the following day, you will catch the next train by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If your friends are dressed modestly and you are not, guess what? Allah Almighty chooses His people whom He wants to worship Him. That's the reason why those got up for Salatul Fajr and these dressed modestly, because Allah chose the people, and Allah Almighty knows that if one decides, I'm not going to do this, they are the ones who've missed the train. The rest of them are moving on. I've been to Africa, I've been to so many different places in Africa and Asia and so many other places where I see people who perhaps do not have much in terms of material wealth, but they are fulfilling their salah. I will never forget, in Malawi once we went to a place that was very rural, very underdeveloped. And as we entered the place, it was time for Salatul Asr, and we heard Sami'a Allahu liman hamida in the bush. And so many people rose from ruku', from the position of bowing in salah, and they rose up. And I was shocked. I see these poor people who have almost nothing materially, but here they are worshipping Allah. No one is watching them, no one is asking them, no one is telling them to do that, but they have a connection with Allah. And here we are, we missed the train. Who caught it? They all caught it. Where are they going? They're going to Jannah. And where are we going? Inshallah, we go to Jannah too. Inshallah, we go to Jannah too.